Carriers and independent agents rely on each other, but strong relationships don't happen by chance. The best agents know how to position themselves for better market access and pricing. Start with communication. Regularly connect with your carrier reps, not just when you need something. Staying engaged helps you understand appetite changes and upcoming opportunities. Know your book of business. Carriers appreciate agents who send them the right risks. Reviewing loss ratios, claims history, and profitable segments can help you align with their goals. Know your carrier partners' appetites. Carriers send updates regularly, but don't wait. Use your touch points to ask what they're actively writing. Many carriers also share what they've recently bound, which tells you where they're most competitive. Showcase your value. Agents who submit clean, complete applications get better underwriting attention. Make it easy for carriers to say yes by providing accurate and well-documented submissions. Be proactive about market shifts. Hard markets can change carrier appetites quickly. Pay attention to shifts in pricing, underwriting guidelines, and capacity so you can pivot when needed. And one more thing, the best carrier relationships are partnerships. Stay engaged, be reliable, and position your agency as a trusted partner, not just another policy producer.